Dziękuję, yachimach. This time on Dumb King Bikes, we're gonna...
No. Anyway, this time on Dumb King Bikes, we bring this project to a halt. Because it's a 90s bike, we're gonna keep things old school with these little bad boys. But to be able to do that, we gotta get bossy first.
Splurg.
Yoink.
Rink.
Clip. Now mounting these little bolts can be quite tricky. That's why I like to use a socket and extensions. Easy. Yeah. Perfection. Now repeat that process to the other side. Once you're done there, you're ready to lay some cable. To fix the cable, you need to pull back the handle on the turbo encapsulator, slide the tension madabi through the channel slot into the adjuster runner, and then correct that through the fourth line sideway. When you reach the middle of the frame, you need to re-optify the deflamer through the discombobulation. Then pulse guide through the C-section. Once that's done, you now need to find yourself a mitigating opulator. Once all the pieces are in place, you can then begin tuning the brake. Now, you should only attempt this if you're very proficient at swearing. And once that's all complete, perfection! And that's all we got time for on this episode of Dumb King Bikes. Join me again where we polish the GT off.